So you have two 12Ks at quarter ohm each.
Correct.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Oh, you got two 12Ks in here.
Yeah, they're both wired quarter ohm, they're half ohm models.
So you have two 12Ks at quarter ohm each.
Correct.
What was your other options?
It was 1 ohm or 16. I think.
Okay. Yeah.
Series.
Did you have to climb through this port, or how did you rewire
You
it?
had to climb through it. I have some skinny friends that climb through it.
Okay. Nice. Looks good. All right. I'd be a little worried though. Is it ever protected? Wow.
I did one time.
One time?
I had to turn everything flat on this damn thing.
Yeah. And what did you? How have you metered?
I did a 145.9 the other day before one of the sub baskets broke. But I'm hoping to pull a 55 today at 42 hertz.
That's possible. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What is this tuned to in your port area on this?
46.
Okay, so it's tuned to 46. And there's SCAR DDX 12s.
Right.
10 of them.
8 of them.
8 DDX 12s. Wow. Tuned to 46.
For the bass knob's going out. Just potentiometer's going out. Just getting that stupid flat sparks.
Lithium's hidden. I was trying to find it.
Oh, it's on.
Okay.
Platforms. I'm trying to keep it clean as possible. 21. Oh yeah, I finally got the Tarmaps 400.4 on.
I can tell, man, it's screaming. And I like the tape. Head unit pump.
USB.
God. Turn your bass knob down. I'd be a little worried though. Is it ever protected? Wow.
I did one time.
One time?
I had to turn everything flat on this damn thing.
Yeah. And what did you, how have you metered?
I did a 145.9 the other day before one of the sub baskets broke. But I'm hoping to pull a 55 today at 42 hertz.
That's possible. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.